Alright, this morning we're going to replace some headlights on a 1998 Dodge Ram 3500. This one seems to have given up everything it had, and then some. The other one don't look so bad, but it don't look so good. This is what we got to replace the old ones with. These are from Car ID. This is Spider brand. I'll put the part number and link in the description. Now, I've watched a couple of YouTube videos, so I'm supposed to be an expert on this. It's supposed to be 3 fasteners and get rid of these little rivet dealy bobs here. The tools de jour. Gotta have a swivel head on an M10 and this nice little device here for removing those rivets. So you can see right there, that's the M10 to get the headlight assembly out. And this little Phillips screw would allow you to remove the signal light itself. Then you come over here, you can see one of the M10s down there and the other one up here. You get those out, pull it out a little bit, disconnect the light sockets, and allegedly you're all good. Alright, the 3 screws are gone. Now it's time to lose your cool. False alarm. Forgot to take these out. Great camera work, but there's one. I wasn't sure what was going to give up first there. My Chinesium wrench or the plastic rivet. But we came out alright. Alright, so I got it out a little bit. I'm gonna come in here, turn this probably the other way. Some will. We'll go clockwise. Hey, look at that. That doesn't work. That done did work. Hey, look in there. We got another one. It's got a little tab on the top. Got to release that, pull it off. Chance of breaking, 95%. Alright, sports fans. One thing you need to be aware of. There's 3 little tabs out there. You got to line your light bulb up with those. Those 2 are close together. This one's off by itself. So the 2 close together on the bottom, one by itself on top. They go on there real nice. Likewise, this little thing has a tab here, tab here, a tab here. And they line up with that tab hole, and that one up there. Look at that. Slicker and deer guts on the doorknob. Also, I was informed to peel this plastic off of here, because you ain't gonna get another chance. Warranty is now void. So I made some observations when I took this out about you gotta kind of roll this. I took it out, you had to roll it out, so I'm gonna roll it back in. But look at that. Now you can stop it. Alright, so now we got this where we can reach it with the wire harness. Got that plugged in. We'll try to maneuver that around a little bit more. There we go. And put that in. Turn it clockwise as you look at it from the camera. And they got these little pins here. Can you see this pin? That pin goes in a little hole there, a little guide. So we'll stick that in there. And there's another one on the other side. Help us line everything up. There we go. There we go. Nice. So here are the new ones in place. Looking a lot better. Much nicer.